Hello everyone, in front of me is OUKITEL WP36 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first open the settings, then enter passwords and accounts and tap on plus icon to add account. Choose Google and now provide your email address or phone number and mark next. Here provide the password, let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you do agree with everything, just mark I agree. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added. If you want to remove it, smoothly mark it and select remove account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.